This dance is called In the Morning Sun. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, rock the right, cross rock the right over the left, recover your weight back on that left. Chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Cross rock, left over right, rock onto that left, recover that weight back on the right. Then we're going to shuffle forward on the left, but we're going to put quarter turn on to start with. Again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, so we make that quarter turn left, stepping that left forward, right beside left, step the left forward. It's our quarter turning shuffle. That set of steps once more then. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8. Cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, turn, shuffle. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself, quarter turn to the left. Cross shuffle, right over left, 1 and 2 count timing steps. So we cross the right over left, left to the side, right over left. Cross, side, cross, that's your cross shuffle. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a little weave, 1 and 2 count timing steps again, cross the left behind the right, right to the side, cross the left over the right, behind, side, cross. That set of steps once more then, step pivot off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Step the right to the side, step the left beside the right. Shuffle forward, 1 and 2 count timing steps on that right, right, close, right. Step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, into another one of those turning shuffle steps, quarter turn on that left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, quarter turn left, close, left. Your quarter turning shuffle. That set of steps once more then, side close shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, behind, turn, shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, close, right, shuffle, side, behind, turn, shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left. Shuffle back on the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, step the right back, left beside right, step right back. Back, close back. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle forward on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. That set of steps once more then, rocking forward on the right. 7, 8, forward, rock, back, shuffle, back, rock, left, shuffle. End of dance when we get to that bit. Let's put it all together. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, right shuffle, side, behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, left shuffle. So that's your dance. Now there are quite a few counts in there, so I will go through it now with the counts so you can see exactly where those counts come in. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully you can see where those counts are in the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, left shuffle, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, left shuffle, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, left shuffle. So that is all 4 walls. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes quite early on in wall 2, after 24 counts. It's 3/4 of the way through the dance. So you will have just done your last quarter turning shuffle step. That is where you restart. 24 counts into the dance. You don't go into your forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, forward shuffle section. So wall 2 is our 3 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to the restart point and restart the dance so you can see where it fits in. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, restart, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle. So that's your restart point. 24 counts into wall 24 counts into wall 2, which is your 3 o'clock wall. So that's it. That is your dance. That's your walkthrough. It's your restart information. Let's give it a go. To-go music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, left shuffle, cross rock shuffle, it's a restart roll, turn shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side press, right shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, restart, cross rock, right shuffle, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side press, right shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, left shuffle, cross rock, right shuffle, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, left shuffle, cross rock, step pivot, side close, forward rock, cross rock, step pivot, side close, forward rock, cross rock,
We belong to you and me. La, la, la,
side close, forward rock, cross rock, pivot,
come to me on the summer breeze. Keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave.
forward rock,
You need to show how deep is your love. Is your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. La, 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 How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. La, da, da, da. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down.
hope you managed that one.